Photographs of Mars typically depict a nearly deserted, inert world with little activity. In reality, Mars embodies this description due to a combination of factors that led to the degradation of its atmosphere and the loss of its magnetic field. However, the apparent serenity doesn't exclude the possibility of sporadic occurrences. NASA's rovers, exploring the planet for several years, have recorded a variety of phenomena on its surface. In today's video, we'll witness real recordings of movements happening on Mars. It's undeniable that as a society, humanity has achieved remarkable feats. We have the potential not only to explore neighbouring planets, but also to aspire to the stars. Eventually, even if solely through technology crafted by human hands, it's likely we'll reach some distant star system and, thus, become an interstellar species. In the solar system, we are witnessing significant historical moments. Presently, two main rovers are active on the surface of Mars: the Curiosity, launched in 2012, and the Perseverance, sent in 2020. Both are successfully operating, exploring different regions of the red planet. Aside from capturing impressive images of another world's surface, these robots play a crucial role in the study of Martian geology and the processes that shaped the planet's past. Despite Mars being a cold, desert-like and seemingly inhospitable environment today, evidence suggests that its past could have been quite different, perhaps resembling Earth in various aspects, including the potential to have supported life at some point. The intriguing question of why only Earth maintained favourable conditions for life, while Venus and Mars turned into extreme environments, remains one of the great mysteries of planetary astronomy. The mission of these robots on Mars is crucial for our understanding of the planet's history. In the incredible journey across the Martian surface, Curiosity has covered about 31 kilometres from its landing site. Even though this distance might seem modest at first glance, it's crucial to understand that movement on the Martian soil doesn't occur at high speeds or cover vast distances. The rover needs to make frequent stops to conduct thorough analyses and capture images that will be viewed later. These frequent interruptions are partly attributed to the numerous imperfections in the Martian terrain, demanding greater caution during the journey. Additionally, the rovers are positioned in close proximity to their planned destinations, and given the complexity of controlling something at such a significant distance without direct maintenance, their ability to endure for so long is remarkable. NASA's latest rover, Perseverance, has covered 21 kilometres on the surface of Mars at the time of this recording. During the extended exploration period, it's common for the rovers to record a variety of occurrences besides remarkable landscapes, from rocks with peculiar shapes to the discovery of scattered meteorites on the surface, along with the observation of atmospheric phenomena directly in front of the rovers. Considering Mars' sparse atmosphere, it's a significant occurrence to find relevant events happening there, such as Mars' seasonal climaticicles, ranging from sandstorms to ice clouds and swift whirlwinds. Despite having only 1% of Earth's atmospheric density, Mars still generates considerable winds, although relatively weak, and the rovers have witnessed these winds lifting a lot of dust on the surface of the red planet. One of the most notable events was captured by the Curiosity rover, recording the movement of a mass of sand in a rotating motion for several minutes. The images, dated February 2017, compose a video revealing this phenomenon, which was also observed by high-resolution cameras orbiting Mars. Recently, the Perseverance rover captured an even larger dust whirlwind, moving from east to west at a speed of 19 kilometers per hour. The video, sped up to 20 times the real speed, consists of 21 frames captured with 4-second intervals, and the images were subsequently processed to highlight the most notable details of the phenomenon. In a venture into the past, the now deactivated Spirit rover recorded a sequence of images revealing the movement of dust over 9 minutes and 35 seconds, dated 2007, during the active mission. This accelerated record is one of the most significant on the surface of Mars, as the phenomenon occurred in the vicinity of the rover. Interestingly, in September 2021, the Perseverance rover managed to record the sound of a small dust storm passing through its path. The mission team mentioned that the Perseverance rover's microphone isn't active all the time, operating only for 3 minutes every 2 days, making the capture of this sound an exceptionally lucky situation. It's recommended to use headphones for an immersive experience while listening to this recording. In this situation, the winds reach a speed of about 40 kilometers per hour. Although resembling dust devils on Earth, the lower atmospheric pressure on Mars results in winds exerting only 1% of the pressure that the same wind speed would have on our planet. Even though they are not intense winds, they are capable of raising a lot of dust and creating impressive whirlwinds. The audio was recorded from within a whirlwind, while the other images were captured from afar, which is significant for understanding the dynamics of such a distant atmosphere. While on Earth, dust devils typically have diameters smaller than 10 meters and rarely exceed 500 meters in height, on Mars, they can reach dimensions ranging from 100 meters to 1 kilometer, with heights exceeding 5 kilometers. These are characteristics of Martian dust devils stand out not only in CZ but also in the amount of dust raised, exhibiting levels hundreds of times higher than the calm atmosphere around. In the formation process, Martian dust devils follow a mechanism similar to those on Earth. Solar radiation heats the surface, inducing the air near the ground to rise, creating an updraft. This, combined with horizontal wind, triggers a rotation, generating a vortex. The particles raised form the visible dust whirlwind. These whirlwinds are just one of several mysteries that continue to intrigue scientists and researchers studying the Martian environment. Indeed, Mars is much more dynamic than many might imagine. The phenomenon of whirlwinds might be just the tip of the iceberg, indicating that much more might be occurring in other areas of the planet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave your like, as it is very important. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to click the subscribe button below. Until next time.